What's going on, guys? Devin up here, and today we got the Apple Watch Series 5. We're gonna do an unboxing, and we're gonna do some tips and features that you may not know, that you need to know, or would like to know. If you're gonna upgrade, or if you just bought it, let's get into it. Series 5, let's get into it. Turn it over. Got these little hooks you just take out. When you first open it up, you got this nice design. I got the space gray. So when you first take the watch out, this is what you see. Comes with the USB block charger. Comes with the Apple Watch charger. And last but not least, it comes with the watch. Alright, and next we got the band. So when you first open it, you get the different size bands. It's a small, medium to large, and also you got the one size hook. And also here's the directions if you need to know on how to hook it up and how to properly use it. So when you first unveil the watch, you're gonna see the different size right here. This is actually the bottom, as you can tell, because this little hoop right here, but this is the 40. This is the correct side you want to have on your watch. This is the bottom. Alright, so now I attached it. Now let's pair, and I'm gonna start with the features. Alright, so when we start the pairing process, there's actually different ways to pair this. So the first ways to pair it is if when you start your phone, and the first thing will ask you, do you want to pair your phone? So we can say continue, or if not, you can go to the watch app, start pairing. You see this right here. So what you have to do with this, go ahead, English or whatever language, start pairing, and you see this sphere right here. You want to get this sphere within this picture right here, and that's how you would pair it. It's gonna say your Apple Watch is paired, store from backup, or set up as new Apple Watch. It's gonna ask you what side you wanna pair it on, left or right. I like pairing on my left arm, and it's pretty simple like that. So now it's gonna pair, and I'll be right back. All right, so it's finished pairing. As you guys see, it's already on. And let's discuss the gallery that's in the phone. You have different options. You can change the faces within the phone, change the color, pretty much customize the watch face of what you like. You can get some apps, the settings, so you can change like messages, notifications, how Siri does it, the clock, health. You have a lot of options. The Apple Watch Series 5. So the Apple Watch Series 5, the 40 meter comes in 400. For the 44 millimeter, it comes in 429. And if you want to pair with the LTE or cellular, it's gonna be 520. So the Apple Watch Series 5 has an always on display. You see how it's off right now, but when you raise it up, it turns on. When you rest it, it goes away. The Apple Watch Series 5 has the new ECG sensor, also has the new ECG app, which is this right here. Just tap it. The new ECG app is a test that records the timing and strength of the electrical signals that make the heart beat. By looking at an ECG, a doctor can gain insight about your heart rhythm and look for irregularities. The new Apple Watch also comes with a compass. The new Apple Watch also comes with a fall detection.
Bruh. Look at this dude. 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 Look at this dude.
Also, it comes with a brand new S5 processor. 64-bit dual-core S5 processor comes up to 2 times faster than the S3 processor. Let's talk about some tips and tricks that you may not know about. New Apple Watch 5. It comes with the SOS emergency calling. So with this, let's say you're out of the country, let's say you're in danger, and you don't know the number to 911 out there or the emergency hotline out there, you'll just hold down this button right here. And if you're in danger, you'll just slide this SOS button over and it'll make an international call for you. Also, the Apple Watch comes with a 50% louder speaker than the last model. So the Apple Watch Series 5 has some cool features that you may not know about, and here's a few. For example, you can't find your iPhone. You'll just slide the watch up, and if you see right here, this icon of your phone, if you can't find it, you'll just tap it, and it'll make this sound. My phone's in the other room, so listen to this. All right, one more time. Now let's say you can hear it, but you really still cannot find it too well. You just hold this down and check this out. Pretty cool. So the light will flash if you hold this down. If you can't see it, but you can hear it. Also, here's another cool thing too. So let's say you're out, you wanna take some pictures. Let's go to the menu, go to the camera, and boom, look what came up. Boom, let's see. Whatever's on my watch, it's gonna be on my phone. So that's pretty cool, right? And look, you can take the picture from your watch. It's pretty awesome. Also, to quickly run through this, you can answer emails, of course, phone calls, YouTube. You can play Apple Music on here, and also you have Pandora. Also, you can track your activity. So let's say you have a fitness journey. This will help you with your calories, eating, calorie burning goals. This watch is creeping into phone territory. Also, it's meant to save lives and also to enhance and enrich lives and also change lives for the better. Hopefully, it's helping you guys out on making a better decision if you guys want this. And hey, tell me what you think. Before I got this watch, I wasn't really a fan, and when I got it, I really started noticing like, hey, this is kind of helpful, it's kind of beneficial. Having it on me and just realizing the health benefits of it, and the fact that you can customize all this right here is pretty cool. So I customized this to see the sunrise and the sunfall, battery life, ECG, like the weather, time, date, of course, the maps right here if you need to go somewhere, and honestly, it's just really beneficial for me. The band is pretty comfortable. You know, a friend was telling me like, hey, you wouldn't really understand it unless you have it. Just by having it now, it's pretty cool. The job that I work at, sometimes it won't let you take out your phone, or you could take out your phone, but it takes too much time. And with this, you can just answer stuff quickly. I can take this to the gym with me, track all my movements. I usually run 1,000 calories on the treadmill, and I know it's not accurate, but you know, it'll help me track. Usually I'm used to counting everything in my head and marking it down in my notes weekly. I would weigh myself every day and see the results then. But with this, it takes a little bit of all that off me because it will track it for me. It just makes it easier for me, so I can just get up, go to the gym, work out. It's already marked down. I don't have to count calories anymore. I don't have to remember in my head to write this down, because you don't want to overexert yourself. It's a great workout watch. It's a great watch to just have on and kind of fashion with. It's a great watch for notifications. If you don't have time to pull your phone out, you can just kind of look up and just see. Track your heartbeat, so if you have any heart issues or if you have any anxiety about your heart or just having any health issues, this will be beneficial for you, because you can also have your doctors look over this for you. Of course, you'll need to give them, like the okay for it, and thanks for watching. This is Devin Up. What did you guys think about this watch? Are you guys gonna get it? Apple Watch Series 3? Are you gonna upgrade to the Series 5? Did you want to know some of the differences? Hopefully I explained it here. You can look on the Apple website for the comparisons. Thanks for watching. This is Devin Up. Stay positive. Hope you guys have a blessed day. I really appreciate you guys watching, but thanks for watching. This is Devin Up. I'm out. You guys have a good day.